Space is a very, very strange place. Most people think that the planets are mostly like some solid body made of rocks or gases, but the truth is that every planet is completely different from the other one, so much so that it is possible, for example, to be like the Sun. Welcome to the Oddity and Wonders, and today we will talk about the 5 strangest planets in the universe.
Hornet XO-7b is a planet outside the Solar System announced its discovery by the probe Hornet in February 2009. Spins the planet around a star similar to the Sun, away from the Earth by 489 light-years. A full rotation of its Sun takes place every 20 hours, which means that its orbit is very close to its star. The size of the planet is estimated to be twice the size of the Earth and is rocky as the Earth. And the temperature on its surface ranges between 1800 to 2800 degrees Celsius. Thus it does not allow life on it. The name Hornet refers to the probe called co-roti in the name of convection, rotation and an alien world that orbits a distant star in the constellation of Lyra may be the most Earth-like planet ever found outside the Solar System. The planet, named Kepler 438b, is slightly larger than Earth and circles an orange dwarf star that bathes it in 40% more heat than our home planet receives from the Sun. The small size of Kepler 438b makes it likely to be a rocky world, while its proximity to its star puts it in the Goldilocks, or habitable zone where the temperature is just right for liquid water to flow. A rocky surface and flowing water are two of the most important factors scientists look for when assessing a planet's chances of being hospitable to life. Kepler 438b, which is 470 light-years away, completes an orbit around its star every 35 days, making a year on the planet pass 10 times as fast as on Earth. Small planets are more likely to be rocky than huge ones, and at only 12% larger than our home planet, the odds of Kepler 438b being rocky are about 70%, researchers said. Kepler 22b is the first planet outside the Solar System is verified that it is going on in favor of the scope of housing to contain water bodies and temperature appropriate for the human being, amounting to 22 degrees Celsius around a star similar to the Sunday planet was named after the U.S. Space Agency's Kepler telescope. Was announced the discovery of the planet on December 5, 2011. The equivalent diameter of the planet is about 2.4 times diameter planet Earth, and is a distance of 620 light-years from Earth and orbiting the star Kepler 22, which is the star of the type G. Despite the lack of information on the mass and installation of the planet, but the density is equivalent to the density of the Earth, 5.515 grams per centimeter 3. While equivalent to the surface gravity of the planet is about 2.4 of the surface gravity of the Earth. The Kepler planet 78b is about 20% more than the Earth and completes a full rotation around its star in 8.5 hours. Due to its solar orbit, it is very close to its star, that is 40 times from Mercury to the Sun. The surface temperature of the planet is from 2030 to 3100 degrees Celsius. Its size may be similar to the size of the Earth, but you can imagine a planet of lava because of its high temperature, and 2 teams participated to estimate the mass of the planet, and its mass was estimated at 1.86 of the Earth's mass, and this may indicate that it is made of rock and iron. And it is difficult to measure the planet's gravity due to its sway in the astronomy of its star, and the astronomer said Demviter. This lava planet certainly cannot remain in its orbit for as long as it is destined. He may be swallowed up by his star very soon, that is, after about 3 billion years. This planet was discovered in 2013 through the analysis of the Kepler Space Telescope data, and also was detected by the reflection of the light of its star in its orbital phases. Kepler-10c is the largest rock planet discovered by astronomers, whose weight exceeds 17 times the weight of the Earth, and it is larger than it and has reached about 2.3 times the size of the Earth. However, there are no estimates of its mass until now. This discovery challenges the theoretical scientists who developed theories of planet formation, through how such a world is formed. It was not previously believed that such worlds existed. The massive gravitational forces of such a supermassive body accumulate gas casings during the formation process, transforming that planet into a gigantic gas giant such as Neptune or even Jupiter. It is likely, however, that this planet will be solid, composed mainly of rocks. Kepler-10c orbits a Sun-like star once every 45 days, making it very hot for the existence of life as we know it. This planet is located about 560 light-years from Earth, within the constellation Dragon, Draco. This system contains the planet Kepler-22b, which is the first rocky world to be discovered in Kepler data.